Go. Awesome. Hi, good morning and welcome to another video. Today here with me I have my mini baker's man. He's going to join us in baking. He said today is his turn, so he's going to bake everything. So welcome. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Wanjiko. I'm a nutritionist, I'm a mom, I'm a homemaker, and yeah, it's gonna be an exciting video. It's gonna be a little bit challenging, but we're going to hack it. Alright? Say welcome.
Welcome.
Say welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel, and we're making a cake.
Yes. Alright, let's get to it. So we'll start by cracking some eggs. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, let's crack.
Shika. Sorry. Let me help you. One egg. So we are making cupcakes, okay?
Yes.
You're making what? Cupcakes.
Yes.
All right.
We're making birthday cake.
Cupcakes. Then we'll make birthday cakes another time.
Yes.
So we need 2 eggs. And here, beat the eggs.
1.
Good. Beat the eggs. Beat with the spoon. And then, as you do that, I'll mash some bananas. I had already started with the bananas. So we need overripe bananas. You can see mine are quite overripe.
Yet we move our.
So the recipe calls for 3 bananas. I have like 2.5, but they will be enough. I link the ingredients that we use in the description box below. Yes. Mash. Mash. Stir your eggs. So I have tried to lay out my ingredients here on the countertop.
Yes.
I have finished with the eggs.
Yeah. We could like the eggs, the cracking.
Yes, we crack the eggs.
Yes, you will. You will like this.
Yes, you do like that. And now we are almost done.
Yes.
With the eggs.
Yes.
And we will add the mashed bananas. I'm not yet done with my bananas.
Yes, let's get rolling pan.
Wait, the baking pan is not yet. So we need to first finish mashing the bananas.
Baby.
So mash them until they are smooth. Say smooth.
Smooth.
Yes, you mash them until they are
Smooth.
Are these ones looking smooth? Yeah, smooth. See you. And you add them to your eggs.
Yes, let's roll.
Yes.
Let's give.
I know the part you like, Justin, for rolling. See you. Now, I have my recipe card over here, but I'll share it. I'll share all the ingredients in the description. Now, we have 3 bananas and 2 eggs. So I'm going to add half a cup of sugar. Say sugar.
Sugar.
Okay, how much? Half a cup.
And we have
So this is a measuring cup for half. And there we are. He wants to stir in the ingredients, so that's what he's looking forward to.
Okay.
Sorry. That's what you want to use the machine. Now.
And we look in the X-ray machine.
Now to this, I'm going to add. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of. Put it here. Vanilla essence. So I will use this tablespoon, half of it. That will be it. Then I will add some cardamom. Oh yes, cardamom powder. Cardamom powder. I will put like half a teaspoon, so just very little, like that. Yes, put it there. And then some oil. So I put 1/4 cup. So I will still use this cup. Half of it will be 1/4 because it's a measuring cup for 1/4. And now you, my mini baker, can do what?
Do it.
You can mix the ingredients.
Yes.
Okay?
Today is my turn.
Yes, today is your turn to mix the ingredients.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Say that again.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Tell them today is my turn to bake.
It is the turn to bake.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy and Daddy and Justin.
Awesome. I am here.
1,
You remember how we do it?
3,
Go! So you beat them. You can use a whisk or a hand mixer or a stand mixer, whichever you have. Yeah, we make a little cake. So just mix in the ingredients, the wet ingredients, and I'm going to put a very small pinch of salt. Very, very small.
Yes.
Alright. We are moving along very well. Now I'm going to measure out my dry ingredients. This is just flour. We'll just put flour. So I'm using self-raising flour. I don't have a specific brand that I prefer, so this is what we are using for now. I think it was cheapest on the shelves. As far as it's self-raising, it's good to go. So this is the storage container that I use to store my flour. One can hold the 2 kgs.
Yep, 1
And
to go.
we need 1.5 cups. So 1 cup is flattish. And so I use this one still. The other one has well. Do half a cup of flour. So, and now you can mix in some more.
Yes.
Mix, turn on the machine.
Okay.
Accidents. Stop.
Woo. That's better.
No, you caused an accident. You caused a mess.
Yes, that's a mess.
Those were anticipated challenges.
That machine is so fast.
It's so fast. It's so fast that it caused a mess.
Yes,
Anyway,
it's a messy mess.
it's a messy mess. The camera is here. Tell them it's a messy mess.
Okay, it's a messy mess.
It's a very messy mess. Anyway, it's not too much. We think that once we are done. So now
that is so
we have to
yes,
remove this and just use the whisk for a
messy boss.
continue just slowly, okay?
Yes, that's a mess.
But you don't cause a mess. We put it on high speed.
What's that?
Caused it to spat out of the bowl.
Mommy.
Wait. Just a minute, okay?
Wait. Wow. Okay, Mom.
Put this aside because it's causing a lot.
Yes.
I'm going to continue with
Yes, it's the best.
the spatula.
Mess.
Yeah,
It's a cakey mess.
it's a cakey mess. Now, Justin, because you've caused some cakey mess, what you're going to do is to put the
Cakey mess.
cupcakes in the cupcakes tray, okay? You put
Okay.
that. So you, my mini baker, are going to help with the cupcakes. You know, the cupcake tray. I put one in each.
Mommy.
Shika, put this. Okay. As I clean up your cakey mess. Sindio. One, count them.
1, 2,
Mm-hmm.
3.
They are falling. Alright, so as he does that, I'm preheating my oven
4,
at 180 degrees. 180 degrees Celsius, and the heat will come from both
6,
above and below. And I will bake the cupcakes for 20 to 25 minutes. So as we finish that, my butter was a little bit stiff, I think because of the cakey mess. That we had 11. Are you sure? That's 10. But that's now 11.
12, 13.
Yeah, count them again here from here.
No, not here.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good. So this recipe can make 12 mini cupcakes, as you have heard. And yeah, which colors can you see here? Which
1.
colors? Which color is this?
Color pink.
The other one.
Blue.
The other one.
Red.
The other one.
Pink. Orange. Orange. Blue.
Blue.
Red.
Red.
Pink.
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 More pink.
Pink.
Alright. So we have 12
1.
cupcakes, and my mini baker is also very good at counting. So the butter is sweet. You are eating your cakey mess. Yeah. So you put them like halfway or 3/4 full. So I'm just scooping them with my spoon. Scooping the butter with my spoon. I can't believe we actually came to the end of this mixing. Justin, your cupcakes look, they are ready to bake in the oven. You know?
Mommy. Mommy.
You want
Can I want one?
the whisk? No, we are not using the whisk right now. Okay?
Mommy.
We are not using the whisk. We are done with the mixing. Now we put them in the oven. Say oven.
Oven. Butter cake.
Bake
Baker's man.
Bake a cake as fast as you can. Pack it to the plate. Put it in the oven for Pat it and roll it. Mark it with And we're done. We're done. Say that, tell Daddy we're done.
We done, but we done, Dad.
Awesome, 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 awesome.
Thanks for next channel.
Yes, subscribe to our channel. Tell them subscribe to our channel. Tell the camera. Sub. And the whole word. Subscribe to our channel. Alright.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yes, tell them to hit the notification bell. Hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
Yes.
And
like and comment
and comment
and share.
and share.
Yay! Thank you. Alright.
Yeah.
It's not bye-bye. You're putting them in the oven. Yeah. You're putting them in the oven that has been reheating at 180 degrees.
Bye-bye.
So there we go. Here we go. There are cakes in the oven, and I'll show you how they come out in just 25 minutes. So it's 25 minutes. There.
That's faster.
And it's baking at 180, heat coming from both top and below.
And